In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reduce image opacity in Wix. By the end, you'll know exactly how to soften an image so text stands out, create subtle backgrounds for sections, or craft a gentle overlay effect, all without leaving the Wix editor. Opacity simply controls how transparent your image appears. At 100%, the image is fully slid. As you lower the value, the image becomes lighter and more see-through. This is useful when your image competes with headlines or buttons, or when you want a clean, modern aesthetic that doesn't overwhelm your layout. Start by opening your site in the Wix editor and navigating to the page where your image lives. Click directly on the image on the canvas to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box around it, along with the context options in the editor. Selecting the element first is important because opacity is applied to the image you have active, not to the page or section. With the image selected, look to the panel that appears for that element. Find the image opacity slider. Depending on your editor view, it may sit under the image's design or settings controls. Drag the slider to the left to reduce opacity and to the right to increase it. As you adjust, keep an eye on the live preview on the canvas. Wix updates in real time, so you can judge the balance between visibility and readability immediately. A few practical ranges can help you dial this in quickly. Around 80 to 90% gives a light fade while preserving detail. Somewhere between 40 and 60% is great when you want text or buttons to take priority, yet still keep the image recognizable. Very low values, like 10 to 20%, create a faint watermark effect. Avoid setting it to 0 unless you intend to hide the image entirely. Remember, this control affects the entire image uniformly. If you need only part of an image faded or want a color wash, consider pairing your image with a colored overlay shape set to its own opacity, or prepare the effect in an external image editor. Also, check that your text maintains strong contrast after the change. If it looks washed out, either raise the image opacity a bit or enhance the text styling for better legibility. If you change your mind, simply return the slider to 100% to restore the original look. That's all there is to it. Click the image, adjust the image opacity slider, and fine-tune until your design feels balanced and polished.